Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your soft-top Jeep Wrangler. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Next, locate the two header latches above the windshield and unlatch them. These latches secure the front of the soft top. Once unlatched, you can easily push back the front portion, often called the Sunrider feature, to enjoy an open-air experience over the front seats. This initial step is quick and simple. To fully open your top, you'll need to remove the rear and side windows. Begin by unzipping the rear window, carefully pulling it out of its track. Then, remove the two side windows by detaching them from their channels and clips. It's crucial to store these windows flat and clean, perhaps in a dedicated storage bag, to prevent scratches and creases. Proper storage ensures their longevity and clear visibility when reinstalled. With the windows safely stored, you can now fully lower the soft top. Release the three rear bows from their retaining clips, allowing the entire fabric top to fold backward. Gently push the top down, ensuring the fabric folds neatly without pinching. Once fully lowered, secure the top in place using the integrated straps or buckles, typically located on the sides. This keeps the top compact and prevents it from flapping while driving. Raising your soft top is essentially the reverse process. First, unsecure the folded top and lift the bows back into their upright positions, ensuring they click into place. Next, carefully unfold the fabric, pulling it forward and reattaching the front header latches above the windshield. Finally, reinsert the two side windows and then the rear window, zipping and securing them into their respective channels. Double-check all connections for a snug, weather-tight seal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.